What up, Snapchat viewers? Coming at you from Washington, D.C. We're at a food hall outside of Rosslyn. This here is a chicken sandwich from Sammy Pickles. Crispy chicken sandwich, brioche bun. Good, look at that. Overall, did a lot of things right. Crispy, not too seasoned with the salt. We also got tater tots. Pretty standard. We're just here for a quick stop run before we head to the National Mall. So, check it out. Nice. It's a super green smoothie from same place, the food hall. We got the super greens. Some gingery, like spicy kick is kind of, or grassy flavor. It's predominating. It's makes it very healthy tasting. Like it's gonna clean you out real good. Little update on the review. Open it up. Wherever that pickle was, very prominent pickle. They do their pickles really well here. It's a nice tang. They really, it's not just a salty pickle, it's got some good acid. Real pickling. From vinegar. Really, I think is the star of the dish, the pickle. It is called Sammy Pickles, after all.